boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. This is ODESZA featuring the Knox. This song is called Love Letter. So a great song. I love to swim in different waters, and this is not your guitar song, the typical one. But yeah, I love to show guys that everything is possible almost on a guitar. So let's start. Cape on first. We have 4 chords that goes round and round. So let's look at the chords first. A minor, that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is C major 7. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be G. So third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And then the D, we will grab it up here. Looks like a C, but you go 2 frets up. And that will be 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd on B, and open E. Alright, so there you have it. We have 2 different ways of handling these chords. It will go in this chord progression through the entire song: A minor, C major 7, G, and D. First variation or alternative here will be to pick the strings like that. So for A minor, you will pick from the chord string A, D, G, and B. You want to emphasize the B string here, the first fret on B string. The same goes for next chord, the C major 7. Pick the same strings and emphasize the B string there. It's the open one, like that. The next chord is G. You're gonna pick the E string, the D, the G, and the B string. Now these are the 4 strings, and here you want to emphasize again the B string. That will be the 3rd fret on the B string. And then we have the final chord here, the D. Here I suggest you just pick 3 strings, and that will be from the chord the A, D, and G string. Try to emphasize the D string. That is the 4th fret D string you're holding here, probably with your middle finger. So try to emphasize that one. That is where the melody goes. Okay, so 1 round. It will be 1 pick for each chord, and starting with A minor, it will sound like this. Alright, so that is one way of playing it. It will be a little up-tempo later on, and that is where the strumming pattern comes in. So let's look at the strumming pattern. The A minor is the first chord, so I'm going to show you 1 round with A minor. Let's go. Pretty quick, and that's it. So it's down, down, clap, down, up. Okay, so. Okay, so that means 2 strumming rounds per chord. So A minor, C, G, and D. Down, down, clap, down, up, 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 down, down, clap, down, down. That is the second way of playing these chords with the strumming: down, down, clap, down, up, 2 times per chord. And that pretty much covers ODESZA's and the Knox Love Letter. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope this was helpful. Have fun with this, and hope to see you soon. Play tuned.